Unity Systems Solutions. Modern 14 C11M. MSI laptop. Modern 14 let your passion keep up with your dynamic lifestyle. Whether you are exploring new chapter in life or pursuing your career, with up to 11th General Intel Core i5 processors and Intel Iris Xe graphics, you will breathtaking new wonders through the Modern series. All the ports you need. The Modern 14 provides all the ports you need, with USB-A, USB-C, microSD, and HDMI. You can charge while connecting devices simultaneously. Take the spotlight. Classic black styled in its mysterious charm, urban silver mirrors the beauty of the imagination, and beige rose symbolizes the memories of youth. With the Modern series, you will represent the vanguard and to lead stylish whenever, wherever, and however you want. Display 14, 1080p, NanoEdge, IPS level 60Hz display. Webcam, HD type, 30fps 720p. The Modern series keep your workflow going, with enlarged touchpad with smooth and responsive fingertip control. The 180 degrees lay flat and flip end share function allows you to one-click to share your screen for a more productive workspace. The optimized 1.5mm key travel makes the typing experience more ergonomic. Thanks to a full-size backlit keyboard, you can work in dark environments. The Modern series features 11th General Intel Core i5 processor, delivering stunning performance and lightweight portability which will keep you in the workflow seamlessly. Especially with Intel Iris Xe graphics, it provides uncompromised performance to empower your productivity. Up to 1.5x faster than previous gen, up to 5.0 GHz single-core turbo, with Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0. Processor, Tiger Lake Core i5. 1155G7 processor. Memory 8GB DDR4, 3200 MHz. Storage 512GB NVMe PCIe SSD. Graphic, Intel Iris Xe graphics. Audio 2x2W speakers, 1x digital mic in and headphone out, high-res audio ready. Wi-Fi, Intel Wi-Fi 6AX201, 22AX, plus BT 5.1. Battery 3-cell, 39WH. Max memory 16GB.